cockatoo. Bird me. I have 4 birds in the room right now. Let's get started. What is that? That's a parakeet. Is that a turkey? What kind of bird is that? It's a cockatoo. What kind of bird is that? It's a demon bird. There's a cockatiel. He's gonna touch him in the butt. You're gonna die. Is it that bird that goes, really? He's trying to draw. What's his beak? What's that music in the... Run. What is that noise in the background? Dude's just dancing. What kind of dancing is that? What is that? What kind of bird? Does the... Oh, you don't like to be touched. It's almost like my bird walk. I don't know. Birds make that noise. Probably not. Oh, that bird is dancing. I can't. Crazy bird. It's a maraca bird. He likes to play the maracas. Oh. It's a demon bird again. It's another demon bird. It's Mission Impossible bird. It's Mission Impossible Bird Edition. Oh my god, I gotta call Disney and make it... What am I... My mom told me about that bird. Pigeon. Birds fighting. The bird's twerking. What kind of bird is that? Oh, poor bird just got flipped off. Oh, what a cute bird. This is the bird that goes really. Oh, the bird kisses now. It's another demon bird. Demon bird. What kind of noise is that? Oh, he's like, oh, poor. I'm gonna die. I can't tell what that noise would be. That's a crow or a raven. Bye. Now that is the real funk bird. It's another demon bird. I don't know what kind of bird that'd call that. Somebody's watching me. Oh, it's got a long. That bird can play ping pong. It's a crazy bird. It's a dance bird. That bird should go and call Just Dance and be on there. He looks like a dog that just got wet. Oh no, it's Communist Elmo music. He said, let me out. Let me out, please. A bird. Hi. It's a witch bird. Oh, it's Feel Good Ink bird. That should be on Saints Row 3. The bounce bird. It's another one of those weird birds that can walk in place. Now it's a bird stuck in a bag. It's the Mozart bird. It's the Mozart bird.
Hello. Hi.
It's a raven that can say hi.
This isn't working out good.
I remember there was a bird that said, "Thank you. Thank you." Well, that's the end of today's video. See you in the next. Subscribe.